Welcome to your Wasam Life channel.
Hi friends, how are you? I hope you are all doing very well. We are all crazy about the jewelry we have, right from the antique to the trendy one, from the street to the mall collections. We get everything and store it in our place. But while searching for a particular jewelry, we see that the particular jewelry had been always missing, and we are always confused where we kept them, and we know that one pair of an earring alone is left alone. So to stop this, I have a great organizer, that too with the zero investment in it. So let's see how I do the organizer. So come, let's move to the video. This video is also about the zero waste management idea, that is, craft from the waste. This is the rack which we used in an old fridge, currently which is kept as a garbage in our backyard, and I am going to use it for my idea. So I had stuck 3 plastic hookers in my wardrobe's door, especially in the inner region, so that I can hang the organizer in a closed area. This idea is mainly for the people who would like to keep their things in a closed place. Not only this, you can also use your bureaus, your shelves, or your cupboards, whichever you like, and the organizer is also very portable in use. So now I had placed the tracker on the hook, which is very stable and very balanced to organize my jewelries. You can hang any number of jewelries you like in any way, but to show to the audience, I had organized my earrings in a very spacey way here.
So I will also show you how I arranged the earrings. In the first row, I had added the traditional ones. Here comes the heavy metal work in a round pattern. Then the jhumka in green color, the silver earring, traditional look, and the next one which comes here is quite famous in Tamil Nadu, especially after the series Saravanan Meenachi, in which the heroine always preferred to wear such pattern, and I'm quite crazy about that too. And the one next is the North Indian pattern. The next row I had arranged them with the beads, which are very light in weight and also looking so colorful and neat. Next comes the ring pattern, evergreen pattern, and in the next row I had arranged the lengthy earrings, which I maximum use for the maxi dresses or the party trendy wears, which I love to wear always. I'm a huge fan of the big earrings, and these are my big earring collections: a funky one, a wooden one, a plastic hold round pattern, and the next one is a multicolored thread pattern, wooden carved pattern, and a plastic earring. So wait, there are also many more things to be seen. So along with the earrings, I have also hooked my favorite lengthy chains. This one, which lies first, is a combination of antique and also a trendy one, which you can use for the saris, maxi dresses, or whatever you like to wear. It will be very suitable. And the next one is the terracotta, and third one is the silver ball pattern. Along with this, I had also added my bracelet collections, and here comes a beautiful watch, which is a bracelet pattern, and next is a silver bracelet pattern, and the third one is like a bangle but a bracelet pattern, which is very colorful. Now select the matching accessories for your wardrobe by hanging it here.
So this is the look 2 of the organizer which I had been hanging in the wall. The main reason why I had not painted my organizer is because my wall paint is highly suitable for this organizer, so I left it as it is. If you people want to color it, you can do it in your wish. And this is for the girls who would like to keep it as an organizer and also a decorative purpose thing which you would like to show off in your room. Don't worry if you people don't have such racks in your home, because this is just part 1 of the organizer, and in part 2 you will be having more organizing ideas. And also this video I only showed about the hooking earrings, and for the stud patterns I will be also showing you another organizer for the same crazy people like me. So stay tuned. So along with this video, I also have a sweet surprise for you people. I had added one of my poems. Please have a look on it. If you people like it, then comment about my poem also in the comment section. So like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel.